Here we are. Thermonomics, installing Thermonomics in a Ford or a Nissan Frontier 2005. And the air is blowing
61 degrees. It's a little warm.
61, a little warm.
Alright, we're going to introduce Thermonomics into this Nissan truck. We started out with a baseline temperature of 61 degrees. We're going to introduce the material into the low side. We're going to wait 5 minutes. We're going to see what the delta T, or the change in temperature, is. Now we're going to put 6 turns into the system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 1 ounce of material. The reason we're putting an ounce in is because we started out with such a high temperature. We're going to remove the speed clip here. Very simple installation. Your mother could do this. Maybe your mother's grandmother. I don't know. It's pretty easy. Okay, it's 11:26. We've introduced Thermonomics into the system. It is now bonding to the internal coils. It's blowing out of the sludge and mitigated oil. So what we've done is we've increased the heat transfer. Now we started at a baseline of 61 degrees. I can tell you right now, this is blowing on my face. It's a whole lot colder. Let's see what we got here. Right now it's 54, 53, 51 is dropping as we speak. 48, 46, 45, 43, 42, 39, oh, wait, no, 39 for a second. 38, 37, 36, it's dropping down. 35, 34, 32, wow, 33, 31, that's a 30-degree drop so far. 30, oh, it's going between 30 and 32. If I keep my hand still, it'll stay still. When you get old, your hands shake. I think you're going to cap out around 30 degrees. That's a 31-degree drop in temperature. This system is going to last 3 to 5 years longer because the Thermonomics we've just introduced is 1,500 times more lubricating than the material that was already in there. We've cleaned the internal coils. We've blown out all the sludge and mitigated oil. We've increased the heat transfer, and that is why the air conditioner got cold. In any air conditioning system, you're going to lose 8 to 12% per year. This car is how old?
2005.
2005. Okay, so we've got 6 years. This car is 6 years old, so if it loses 8 to 10%, excuse me, 8 to 12%, let's call it in the middle, so I can do the math, 10. That's almost 50% of its cooling. So therefore, when this car came off the factory at Nissan, it was probably blowing around 40 degrees. We've actually exceeded the manufacturer's tolerance for the ambient temperature by maybe 10 or 15 degrees. We dropped the temperature of this car within 10 minutes, 31 degrees.